Have you ever searched how to find my passion on Google? Most probably you have, because so many people around the world already do. One of the most persisting questions that people have is, how do I find my passion? How do I find out what I want to do? And in fact, this is so prevalent that according to Google Trends, I'll show you the graph up here. So, according to Google Trends, the search volume for this word has been rising all the way from 2004. It has never crashed down, it has never gone to zero. It is continuously rising, rising, and rising. So, this just shows us that people have this question and people think about this question a lot. How to find my passion? How to find what do I want to do? And if you have struggled with this as well, you won't need to anymore, because in this video you will discover the simple exact solution that you need to find what your passion is and to go for it. And it's just three words: get more experiences. We don't try new things, we don't experience new things, we don't take new risks, and then we are just sitting back like this and saying, how will I find my passion? What is my passion? It won't work this way. You have to go out, you have to try new things, and you have to experiment, you have to gain new experiences and then find out what works for you. Some people already know what they want to since their childhood, or they know exactly how it is and they have that clarity. But most people don't. Most people find out what they want to do through experimentation, and that was the case with me as well. And for those people who we think have clarity from childhood, they also have experienced in that field to find out exactly what works for them and then going for it. So what I did was that I had this broad idea that I want to inspire people, I want to motivate people. And so at first I thought, okay, I'd become a motivational speaker. At that time, when I was 12 years old, though, I did not really think a lot on that idea. I did not know how I could execute on that idea. And then, just after a year or so later, around that time only, what happened was that I discovered this term called blogging. I found out more about it, I searched more about it, and that is how I discovered my passion for writing and inspiring people through it. I started writing on a blog, I started writing many things, and then through that I gained experience. I got that new experience, and then today that is what has led me to make these videos and to communicate my message in form of videos to all of you. So even I have found out what I want to do, what I want to pursue through experimentation. And that's just how life works. Life is not a game of certainty, life is a game of trial and error. Keep this statement in mind. Life is not a game of certainty. Life is a game of trial and error. You need to try out new things and you need to grow through them. And now, don't get me wrong here. Don't think that, oh no, I have to do everything from scratch. I have to do everything through trial and error. You don't. You have to look at successful people who are already successful, see what they do, try to model them, then understand what they do, the concepts they follow, the routines they follow. And if they work for you, great, you have saved yourself some trial and error. If they don't, you try out new things and you see what works for you. It's that simple. And gaining experience is all about trial and error, because everything sounds great in theory. Oh, yeah, this concept was very good. I'll implement this in my life. But that implementation never really comes, because everything is sweet, everything is beautiful in theory. The real grind, the real hard work, and the real thing comes out when we practically experience it in life. While we are sitting back at home watching TV like this and watching some people, playing with lions or fighting for survival in the jungle on a TV show, it would feel like, oh yeah, that's easy. Or that, oh yeah, even I can do it. We have those kind of thoughts. But it is only when we get to that ground, when we get to that jungle, that we realize how terrified we actually are. That's when we realize, okay, this is not cut out for me, this is not what I can do. So that is what you need to do with your life. You need to experiment new things. Everything you see, everything you read will sound great in theory, will sound great in front of you when somebody else is doing it. but only you will be able to find whether it is for you or not for you when you try it out. So, the answer to your question that how do I find my passion is to get more experiences, because those experiences are what will help you do that. And the power of getting more experiences isn't just limited to finding your passion, it goes way beyond that. Let's just understand this. So, yes, experiences do help you find your passion, that what works for you, what doesn't work for you, but they go beyond that as well. They give you wisdom, they give you new knowledge. As I said, everything sounds great in theory. You can learn everything in theory. But you'll understand the true power of that knowledge only and only when you implement it. And this part, to get more experiences, is implementing that. And once you implement that, you understand that from a completely different way. Let me give you this example. Maybe you watch someone's video on YouTube, how I lost 20 kgs in just 1 year. And you're like, wow, what if I can do that too? What if I can get fit too like that? You watch that video, that person tells you, I did this, I exercised for 7-8 hours a week, I ate only this much, this, that, whatever it is. And then you're like, wow, this sounds great. I'll also get slim. But it is sounding great in theory to you. The truth may be that that kind of exercise plan or that kind of diet plan does not suit your body only. Maybe your body needs more exercise or less exercise, and your diet needs more protein instead of less fat, whatever it is. You need to find out exactly what works for you, and that happens only when you gain experience. And that is what newfound knowledge is. And with that newfound knowledge, you are able to explain things very well. So, I am able to talk to you today. I am able to write down my thoughts in my blog post and do all of those things very well because I have implemented those things in my life. I'm telling you to get more experiences because I have gotten more experiences in my life and I can see the impact they are bringing. And if I would have just read a blog post, a book or something else on this and then thought, oh wow, this sounds great, now I'll make a video on it, it won't really come out in this natural way. It won't really come out in this connective way, and it would just, you would somewhere says that I'm talking theory. But because I have that practical experience, because I know exactly how that works, I have experienced it in terms of writing my book also, in with my blogs, with my videos also, I've gained experience and I know the importance of it. And now that I'm talking about it, it feels natural to me. I'm not hesitant in it because I know what I'm talking about and I know the kind of impact it creates. So when you gain new experiences, it helps you understand theory in a much better way. The reason why in school we had science practicals and science theories is that with the theory we understand the basics, how things work. But when we practically implement it in the science lab, we see how it works, we experience how it works, and then it is so deeply ingrained in our mind that we don't face any problem in that. So the most difficult things sometimes to understand are just the theory because you haven't implemented them in your life. So what you also need to do is that you need to start implementing whatever you learn, because once you do, then that knowledge will transform into wisdom for you. Why? Because you'll understand exactly how it applies to you and how you can tweak it or use it in a better way so that you get the best results. How you can optimize that knowledge so that you get the best results. That's what gaining experiences also does. And another benefit of getting new experiences is that you are able to increase your credibility. Let's just understand this through the simple example. Two people have done an MBA. One is a freshly graduated person, the other had done it about 5-10 years ago, and both of them know the same things. Both of them graduated from the same college, both of them studied under the same professors, and both of them studied from the same books. Who do you think will be valued more? Who do you think would be given a higher position, a higher salary? The fresher or the person who already has been working for the last 5 to 10 years? Obviously, the person who has been working for the last 5 to 10 years. And that's again where experience plays a major role. Both of them know the same theory. Both of them have understood the entire concept of MBA and all of that there is. But they know exactly what matters, exactly how it works, and that is the knowledge that only the person with experience has. While this graduate knows things, he'll only be thinking, yeah, I have to just implement this theory in the corporates I go in and we'll start moving along. That does not always happen. You always need to tweak things according to the organization you're working in, according to the products you're working with, and there are many complexities to it. And that is what experience teaches you. With experience, you're able to understand those things well. You're able to combine the theory plus your practical understanding well to create better solutions, and that is what you're valued for. That is what gives you more credibility, because you have driven results, you have created results, and they have come from your experience. So, the overall thing that we understand from this video is that your experiences help you a lot, and that is why you have to get more experiences. Don't just believe in theory, go and practically do those things, because the more you practically do those things, the more you will be able to find out exactly what your passion is, the more you will succeed, the more you will add to your credibility, and the better you'll understand how these theories work. And once you do, you will unlock a superpower inside of you that will help you push through any situation, because you have experienced those things and you know exactly how to guide yourself, your team, your organization, and the people who follow you to the level you want to. And this is what will make you the best leader. Gain more experiences, think practically, be practical, and implement the theory in practical terms, implement the theory in real life, and you will gain access to a store of information, to a store of wisdom and experience that will help you get to new breakthroughs, that will help you do much more and get to a higher level exponentially. So now what I want you to do is comment below and tell me what is the number one experience you have gained in the past few years. It can be something very small, it can be something very big, but let's just start with this reflection, and then we can go ahead and start doing more and more things and start gaining more and more experience. Because once you reflect, once you understand how much you have improved, you're able to do better in the future as well. So comment down for that, and also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because I'm sharing new videos every day with you based on my experiences and what I have implemented and understood, so that they can add more positivity to your life and they can help you do more and more. And as these are based on my practical experiences, they will be theory, but there will also be practical experience in it that will help you do much more and achieve much more. As I said in the start, as I said in the middle of this video, that I'm able to easily make this video because I've experienced this, and that's what I do with every video. So you'll get practical learnings, practical steps to take action on in every video, so that you can start improving and you can get over your problems on your journey to success. So hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for that, and also like this video because it helps me grow, it gives me the motivation to do more and more, and it helps me understand that yes, you are liking the content, and then I'll be able to give you even more better content. So hit the like button for that and share this video with as many people as possible, so that we just stop thinking in terms of theory and we implement those theories in our practical life to get the best results and to grow exponentially, so that all of us can do that. So share it with as many people as possible so that we can do that. And I will see you in the next video. And what I want you to remember now is that keep this principle in mind. Get more experiences and you will truly become unstoppable. Do these things, do these actions, implement all that you learn, and then you'll unlock new treasures that you may never have even thought of before.